Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Techado, and yes, the videos are getting a little bit less in the channel. That's not a. The thing is that there's a lot of situation that is apart from this life is going on. So I will try to make as many videos as possible, presenting out more stuff in the channel. But today, here we are today again to talk about a very unique sort of headphones. It has been in the market for a long time and we know about it. A lot of people, those who are skeptical about buying these headphones, these are the Aftershokz Titanium. Yes, they have come up with a very new version of it and I did check that out. But it's all about what are Aftershokz all about, and are these headphones good enough for you, and what are the purpose of making a bone conduction headphone. So to jump in, let's see some very new features about these Aftershokz. The first thing that you're going to notice is that it does not fit inside your ear, it is on the side of your ears. So the fun thing is that whenever you wear these headphones, you have a spatial orientation of what's going on all around yourself. So for example, you're crossing the streets or anything, you're in a gym and you have a gym partner that you work out with, you're talking with your trainer or anything, you can still listen to them, talk with them, and then also you can hear to the music. That's the awesome part of it. But have you ever wondered how this music actually feels like?
Yeah.
That is the reason we are making this episode, to give you a first-hand knowledge of how this music feels. You know, like it's not about sitting inside the house and talking about it. It's about heading outside and show you how this music feels in a noisy environment. Okay, so before that, let me run you through three or four stuffs. At first, if you want to access various features like Hey Siri or OK Google, if you're using an Android, you can use the voice enabled features just by that button that you see. Just keep on holding that button and that's how you can access it. Your volume rocker buttons are located on the right hand corner bottom of it. So if you want to access volume controls and turn on and off the headphones, it's going to be on the right hand corner. The battery life on this, I would say, is decent, though whatever the industry standard is, forget all that. I listen at around about 80% volume. And since these are bone conduction headphones, if you do not wear those ear tips, you will not get that experience. So to make these work, you do have to bump up or crank up that volume a little bit more. And you are looking at around about 3-4 hours out of these headphones. Fortunately, they are powered up by micro USB, so they charge up a little bit faster compared to any other headphones. Now comes a very, very important part that we all need to talk about, is that, hey, how about the microphone quality? Well, here is a microphone test right now.
Microphone check in a noisy environment for Aftershokz. So if I do not talk, this is the like the microphone quality. I'm in a kind of in a shopping complex right now, so it will pick up all the sound. Watch this carefully, or listen this carefully. And even though it sits like on the side of my ears, I think the microphone quality on this is really good.
So as you guys can see that the microphone is not that crazy, which means that for any purpose, like all these headphones that we have tested out in the channel, we have made presentations about, you would have seen that these headphones, all of these headphones might sound amazing, but microphone is where the quality lacks. Like they do not have good quality microphones, and I think that's where in 2020 a lot of these manufacturers need to work about. even when you're using like premium quality headphones like Bose and stuff like that, your microphone quality is still not as good as a pair of AirPods is. So these AirPods at $130 delivers you not only amazing music, but also delivers you amazing quality of microphone. It's not about putting up those headphones and saying, hey man, music is awesome. It's nothing like that. It's what about microphone? I think this is the important part that a lot of people are missing. Third thing is that when you wear those ear tips and it's plush inside your head and everything, inside your ear, that's where you're going to see the whole thing change, because now when you're watching movies and stuff like that, you get a very, very unique experience. You know, you can actually feel each and every vibration because it's a bone conduction headphone. Now, there are some cons of it which I did not like at first to begin with. When I was wearing these headphones, they were hitting the, since these are bone conduction headphones, I was facing a little bit of problem to adjust it for like 30, 35 or 40 minutes. But after like an hour or so, I got used to it. Third thing is that your head movements is pretty limited. So if you want to look up or anything, your the band at the back will touch at the back of your shoulders and everything. And you know, it's like, it's not a very good experience. Gym, would you wear in the gym? Well, I would say probably one of the best headphones to wear in the gym, but there are again some problems with it, is that you have to remember that your head movement is restricted. So if you're doing neck or anything, you know, like apart from doing like regular gym, you're doing aerobics or anything, this probably is not the headphone that you're looking for. One more stuff that is very, very key or important is that people, those who suffer mild air conduction hearing loss, are these headphones good? Well, I would say, remember this guys, those who are suffering from mild to moderate air conduction, you know, like hearing loss, yes, bone conduction is the way to go to listen to any sort of music. But also remember this, that the bone conduction is the last resort that you guys are left with. So I mean, it's a very important thing that you guys need to understand, that would you rather listen to something like this, not abuse it, or use it for a certain amount of time just to watch a movie or so. Well, that's it guys, that's it from the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed the presentation. This was a quick wrap up of my thoughts on the Aftershokz. See you guys on another episode. Till then, goodbye, stay safe and stay healthy.